What's going on, YouTubers? Mr. Brush to give you an update on the Losi 5ive. I posted a video yesterday of changing the pinion. As you can see, it's a 22 tooth pinion up in there. I got the fan wired up. The nipper's in, so everything's pretty much in. Definitely look like it'll probably be a little bit faster because the previous pinion I had was a 18-tooth pinion, which was, let me see that. So that's an 18 tooth. This is a 22 tooth pinion. So and you can't that's the biggest pinion you can get with this combo 58 tooth spur gear in here. So to go any bigger pinion, you definitely will have to drop down on the spur gear. I'm gonna try some blue Loctite this time. Set that in, see how it cures out before we go back to the red. So anyway, I'll just give you guys an update. Everything's sounding great. Everything's sounding great. Looking forward to getting a few test hits with it, test runs. It's got the fan wired up. Even though this fan, it's not made for this setup. So eventually I may try to look into some other fans because it just wasn't enough room. It actually was sitting on the wires back here. So, but for right now, everything's cool. I think it'll run a little bit cooler. I just wanted to keep it a little cooler because I went up on the gearing. So, anyway, that's it. Hopefully, I'll be able to get out tomorrow. Give you guys a few test runs with this setup, see how it does. Anyway, thanks. Peace and out.